Wonderful good morning to all the true learners here, the true promoters, followers of pure art form. Uh, with great pride, I stand on the stage to represent this organization, Rhythms, undergone with lots of challenges since 23 years, 24 years. Whatever images you saw there, most of the images would bring tears in the eyes, to me in particular, because the journey was very challenging, and somehow we have reached here. The institution is all yours, and the organization has been set up to promote good art amongst you. And as every time I say, you all need to be aware that you are learning something very precious, something very distinct, a particular art form which never sees at your age, your gender, your religion, or your financial capacities. This is a strange art form. Just with true love, passion, and dedication is what it comes, and making it a healthy part of your life. Well, and whenever you're to the level of performance, it means that you have reached to a good stage. As I always been saying you, it takes 5 years to understand what needs to be learned. So right now, you people are understanding what needs to be learned. The next 5 years goes your learning process, and the next 5 years practice process, and after 15 full years are you a complete artist. And I'm happy to see that in today's generation with lots of challenges around, students are taking up very seriously and committed, and I have been seeing students who have been with me for the past 12, 14 years. So here is where I feel today's youth is really strong, very capable, but somewhere some level of guidance is required for them to be on the path. And definitely there is a great need to learn art. With the present situation and pressure around in life of every human being, it doesn't mean only the children, even all we grown-ups, all we elders are in pressure. And to all the people here, just touch your heart and see who is the person who is very close to you. Just touch your heart, and that beautiful mobile will pop out. You know, he's the closest person to all of us now. A virtual world being created there with full of instant, immediate reactions. Anything in the world, it's going to give you. And people are getting addicted, habituated to it so much that people are taking that situation even in their personal life. Whatever I want should be done now. If it doesn't happen, fight against it or get depressed. So in this situation, art is the only thing which can bring utmost patience in you. Because as I said you, it never sees at your age, never at your gender, never at your religion, and never at the bag what you carry, the bank balance. It's not bothered at all. It's going to check your patience. And that too, these days, children, I sometimes feel quite a bit sad. It could be even my child, for that matter. We say a single child to stand here for 2 minutes. He or she is not in a position to stand. Within 30 seconds, they start scratching their hand, their head. They start seeing there, here, restless. Sometimes when I see them, my heart bleeds. Why have they become like this? Because nuclear families. Earlier days when we used to have, at least some of us lucky people, had good family wherein, I mean not good, had a full family. We had many people to mentor us step to step. But these days, with nuclear family around, single children, and children are troubling the parents now. Somehow, lots of situations are going on. In all these things, I say you again and again, art is the one which can bring patience. It will become, it gets peace in them and opens their horizon to look at life in a different angle. Well, your performance today, you're waiting for it. I'm going to talk just for a single minute. After that, your shows are going to begin. And for performing in today's show, how many minutes is what you're getting? Just 5 minutes. And for that 5 minutes, what all has happened, try to recollect once. How many days you have come to the class, how many times you have paid the fees, how many times your parents have come outside and waited for you, how many rehearsals have happened, how much teachers have taken the pain, and after all this collectively, only 5 minutes. So, to all the students I say, this 5 minutes is yours, it's not mine. This show is yours. See, some art to flow in you. So, for all the children, I'll say you, here, students, I say you, please open up and perform. No hesitation. And whoever here are all like-minded, lovely people who love music. So, it's like a family where you're going to perform. Instead, what I wish to see is let art flow out of you confidently, daring there. That is the victory that I wish to see. After every performance, with some students, I see a glow coming on their face. And that is what I have always been waiting in my life since 23 years. Slogging for that glow that comes after a person understands what is he doing. That is why this stage. So please do utilize. And yes, this is a prestigious stage with which I have grown seeing. I have seen the gods of music on the stage. Bharat Ratna Bhimsen Joshi ji. If I close my eyes, I can see him there now. Tears rolls down sometimes because the legends in the world have performed on this stage. And you are going to step there. So please be responsible. Carry yourself with a good attitude. Just enjoy. The show is not a competition. It's just for you. So be very comfortable with it. Well, not to take more time of you. Yes, I would definitely wish to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for the wonderful support they are rendering. Because this is a very challenging industry, a service industry. Nothing is prefixed here. It only comes with due love and respect. So to the students, I always expect and demand from you that be polite with the teachers. That is how you are going to win us. Because whatever knowledge we have got is with great difficulty. When, yes, we had to learn, it was either beg, borrow or steal from the teachers. That is how today we call ourselves to be artists. But I have created a situation that such thing doesn't happen. You need not beg, you need not borrow or steal. Everything is clear, but be a little attentive from your end. Be a little energetic from your end. Demand what you are learning. Be clear of what you are doing. And I am saying you again and again, the end of the thing is that it's not whether Rhythms is going to win, Vishwanath is going to win, or you going to win. At last, what is going to win? Music. And music always has to win because this is the guiding force that has bounded the entire globe. Well, again, hundreds of thanks to all the parents here. You guys are really good. Believe me, the way you're taking commitment about your child, I know how much tasking it is for you to take this commitment with your busy lifestyle. But despite that, the way you people are all bothered and do it. And for all the students, especially to the ladies present here, the women, the mother, you know, I wish you people give a big round of applause to your parents, please. They are the one who are giving you something very concrete in your life. So please do respect their feelings. And the last point from me to all the music learners, music means discipline. Music means character. Lots of good things are associated with music. Music means multitasking. I'm giving you my speech. I'm by the by thinking what is that I have to do in the next step there. That is multitasking. That came to me is because of music. So something good is happening with you all. So please sail in this boat. And I am there with you 24/7. Sometimes I might not be accessible to you, but as I've said you, I'm always available to each of you over a mail. And let's join together and grow this wonderful world music. Well, guys, thank you all. Keep up the good spirit. Thank you. Well, a wonderful good morning to all my dear students. You people are the true learners, the true future of what music, dance and fine arts could be. Well, my journey has been like the mid-path in the music community. I fall into a strange age group which got to see two worlds of music, two worlds of art. One, the true, completely manual, directly from heart, and the other dependent on electronic gadgets. The one which followed purity to the core, I wish to take the names of legends, gods of music, Bharat Ratna Bhimsen Joshi ji, Bismillah Khan ji, Ramnarayan ji, Jasraj ji, Hari ji, with whom Rhythms has been associated. We got to see that group also. And within a small span of 10 years, a tremendous transit. Tremendous is literally upside down, wherein computer-oriented, digitalized, and non-soulful music has taken birth. Well, at least with Rhythms, because of the blessing of elders, I have been following traditionality to the maximum, purity to the maximum. Hence, learning at Rhythms might be slightly difficult, but I would promise you, it will be very structured, and every single day that you're going to spend at Rhythms will be worth it. Unless and until purity is not there, it might become very hard in future. The way tigers are becoming extinct, I think if we leave it in the similar way, might be down the lane after 10 years, it can only be shown in photographs, isn't it? So something like that is happening with good music. So I'm not saying everybody to become musicians here, but I'm saying you reach to a wonderful level where you'll be a good listener, a good promoter, a good appreciator of true art forms. That would be the first victory for all of us in our learning process. Well, this wonderful stage, any stage for that matter, is very important. There is where the true art will flow. Who is your teacher? How long you have been learning? Nothing counts when you come onto the stage. It's a wonderful, you get caught in a beautiful vibration when you're on the stage. So I would wish to see that I throw my students to maximum stage. And believe me, 100 stage should be your number. The day you reach 100 stage, declare yourself to be an artist, because stage is going to teach you all those. And well, I know your all feelings, because I was also a student down the lane. I have also been a little boy like you, sitting one day and listening to somebody's talk and learning. But please accept the truth forever and ever. The first 5 years goes in understanding what you need to learn. The next 5 years is where your true learning begins, and the next 5 years is your true practice, and a complete 15 years is going to make you a perfect artist. So please keep up the good pace. Keep yourself self-motivated, and this versatile art form has a strange thing to be said by me to the parents and students. The job of teacher is just 25%. Believe me, just 25%. The remaining 25% is what a student has to grasp. The next 25% is what is called as practice. So they're complete 75%. And the last 25% is time, the age which brings maturity. So you are in this graph, so please be more demanding, deserving students at the organization. And well, at least in this present situation, with the present mindset of today's youth, and of course many parents in that aspect, music is very much in need. Art is very much in need. Because I have been trying to, whenever somebody comes to join for the class, the first thing I say the child is, stand there without moving your body just for 2 minutes. And the child is not able to stand. Literally disturbed, distracted, he starts scratching, he starts seeing there, restless. See, I'm worrying, how can that go on? And with the virtual world that is getting created in your internets and mobiles, guys, life is going to be quite very difficult down the lane, because everything can't come like that in a tizzy. It requires time. You have put a small plant, how much ever rich you are, or whatever water you pour, it requires it time to grow, right? Similarly, a human character, conduct, behavior grows with time. And patience is one of the key essential for everybody's life. But down the lane, I don't know why people are getting restless, uncomfortable, very fast in their life. And guys, this is not good for anybody. And in that matter, to all the students and parents, I say you, yes, any one of these forms, let it be music, dance, or fine arts, can bring great change in you. Well, guys, I am selflessly working for the past 23 years. Please remember me in your good prayers to give me God to give me more energy, because I have a great vision to set up a university for music, and by God's grace, things are happening in a very positive level. Might be by the next academic session, Rhythms would be accredited with the university status in music. With your all blessings and happiness. Thank you once again. Please enjoy the show. Thank you.